Здравствуйте, CodeFest. My name's Dylan Beattie. I'm CTO at Skills Matter here in London. I'm a software developer and systems architect who's been working on building systems for over 20 years, starting out on very basic kind of data-driven websites, moving on through all kinds of things, distributed systems design, microservices, hypermedia APIs, even things like user experience and interaction design. I'm really excited to be coming out to Novosibirsk to speak at CodeFest this year. I got two talks for you. One's a completely brand new talk. It's going to be on the keynote track. It's called Apps, Algorithms, and Abstractions. And what I'm going to do is take a really kind of common, everyday digital experience. You get a little piece of video, a video message on your phone. You look at it, you laugh, you text back a reply, you put your phone away. And I'm going to unravel all the layers of technology, infrastructure, algorithms, abstractions, everything that's necessary to make that possible. Literally break that tiny everyday experience down to the foundations, the fundamental layers of computing science that make it possible. And then we're going to build all that back up, and we're going to look at what the next generation of digital applications, abstractions, and experiences might offer. The other talk I'm giving is an updated version of a talk I've done a couple of times before, which has always been really well received. It's about something I call happy code. It's this idea of whenever we create software, databases, class libraries, APIs, every time we build anything, we're building something that someone's going to use. We are creating a user experience. And there's lots of ideas from interaction design, product design, psychology, that whatever we're working on, databases, APIs, class libraries, open source projects, there's things that we as developers could be doing to make people happier, more productive, faster time to market, better code. So it's my happy code talk, and if you're very lucky, I might even try telling a couple of jokes in Russian. So, приходите на CodeFest, будет летно. I'll see you there.